Hello, welcome to Embedded World 2022. I'm very glad to be here at the DH Electronic booth where we're showcasing a joint demo between the 4 companies that have been participating in the development. This demo is showing predictive maintenance and anomaly detection in industrial equipment. This is the smallest CNC machine we can hold to the booth and demonstrate. The heart of the entire system is the gateway from DH Electronics that running STM32MP1 SoC, which is Linux capable but also have a real-time core in it. The demo consists of 3D printer, as I said, can be any industrial equipment, and we sensing the acceleration from 2 points on 3 axes, and we're predicting any anomaly, like for example shakes, or sometimes we can predict, actually the model trained to predict something that is not obvious, for example the belt tension. The reading from sensors coming to the multiplexer board and splits to 2 paths. And we're showing 2 machine learning models that doing the data inference. One is on a microcontroller board itself. One is streaming data to the DH Electronics gateway, to the DRC02 through Bluetooth as fast as possible, and machine learning model is running actually on the Linux core. Within the gateway, it is AWS IoT Greengrass orchestrator running. It's our H software. On the boards, we obviously running the FreeRTOS with certain libraries that in this case using the Bluetooth communication, in this case using the LoRa communication. The anomaly score is actually traveling through the DH Electronic gateway as well, which acting as a basic station to the AWS IoT for LoRaWAN service, where everything, when all this data with all this anomaly score coming to AWS, then we can graph all these anomalies using the AWS Amplify software. I mean, it's an application that using AWS Amplify framework and connected to the same AWS IoT broker through the WebSockets. I would like Stefan to tell a little bit more about the gateway itself.
Thank you very much, Anton. We have kind of different interfaces standard available. For example, we have 2 Ethernet interfaces, 2 times USB, some serial interfaces, Modbus, CAN, and some inputs and outputs. But as experience has shown us, we have also an internal extension slot available to fulfill the requirements of different bus systems, which nowadays in automation interface systems are sometimes required.
Actually, one thing I should mention as well, you can see it's a DIN rail mountable, and it can be a direct replacement for the older PLC. But what's the big difference between the modern gateway, modular gateway, and the PLCs is the speed of data ingestion. Typically, the older PLCs does not giving enough resolution for the modern machine learning algorithm to work properly. So as a direct replacement, I think it's really incredible piece of hardware. And I want to mention also the system integrator, the Click Attack team that basically burned the midnight oil to make it in time for the show. It's really incredible work from the entire team from there.